Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a scrolling timeline animation like this in Premiere Pro. So first select the Type tool, go to your preview screen and type in the first year, then press space and type in the next year, and so on till the last year you want. Now select the Selection tool, go to Effect Controls panel, expand the text section, and then resize and reposition the text, so the first year is in the center of the screen. Now to create this scrolling animation, move to the point where you want it to start, and click on the stopwatch next to the Position under Vector Motion section to create the keyframe. Then move forward to the point where you want to end the animation and change the position value so the final year is in the center of the screen. Now to smooth out the animation, select both keyframes, right-click on any of them. Go to Temporal Interpolation and select Ease In. Then do the same, but select Ease Out this time. To slow the animation down at the end, which makes it so much better, click on this arrow next to Position and drag the second blue handle slightly to the left, and this is how it looks now. Now to make only one year visible at a time, click on the Pen tool under the text section and create a rectangular mask around the year. Then increase the mask feather value to smooth out the edges. You can add some motion blur to the animation so simply. Go to Effects panel, search for Gaussian blur, and add it to the text layer. Then in Effect Controls panel, move to the first position keyframe using this button, and click on the stopwatch next to blurriness to create a keyframe. Then move to last position keyframe and click on this Add Dodge Remove button. Now move to the middle of the animation and set the blurriness to around 70. And it's better to change the blur dimensions to horizontal. Finally, you should like this video and subscribe to my channel because you just made the scrolling timeline animation. Hope you enjoyed. Please share your thoughts and comments. Wishing you all the best and see you in the next video.